Well, I've had great success of photography of the Hillcrest Shay #1. And now it's time to do a video of a walkabout. Some of the items here are just put on just for this weekend's event, temporarily. They sure dressed it up nicely. Here's the Mayo Shay #3 behind on the left. It is twice the tonnage of the Hillcrest Shay #1. So Hillcrest Shay, 2 trucks, 4 axles. There's the 3-cylinder engine on the side. That's what makes the Shay a Shay. The 3-cylinder engine. Here's the speeder. And further down there, the Cowichan crew trailer. So the Mayo Shay #3 is standard gauge. Everything else here is, most of the other stuff is narrow gauge, and the visitor train track is narrow gauge. So that's why the restoration project is done on the Hillcrest Shay, because it's narrow gauge, so it can run on the tracks here, eventually pulling the visitor train, I think. Hiding behind here is the Hillcrest Lumber #9. It's the Climax locomotive, and on the right hand side you can see what makes it a Climax. But first,
pull it straight.